Welcome back again to Royal Kitchen. Today we are going to make a special dish with chicken and potato. So come with me and let's do it together. Here are the things we are going to use. I have some potato, I have chicken, I have carrots, I have onions, I have a sweet pepper, I have this sauce. It's your choice. You can decide to use it or not. I have whipped cream, I have some chips, I have thyme, sauce, and chicken seasoner. I have some curry and oil. So let's get started. Now we are adding the ingredients. I will add my curry, chicken seasoning, add onion, without no water. Add salt, add oil, check the chicken. Add potato. Add onion, now we are through with our meat. We want to put it in air fryer. So I put it in air fryer. our potato is done. It's not brown. So I want to put the potato in the oven. I'm going to bake it. So I'm adding cream, just a little, not so much. Then you add your cheese. So I will then have the last batch. Add cream. Now we put it in the oven, 180 degrees, up and down. Now I will prepare the vegetables to eat it. I will first of all put the carrot, and add salt. So I will then add our sweet pepper. Wow. So we are through with our potato. So we are through with our vegetables. We want to check our chicken. Wow. You can see we are through with our chicken also.